Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in this very special episode, we're going to be chatting about a lovely collection of sarees.
This is a beautiful collection of Bengal Jamdani Sarees. Very special. It's made from hand-spun materials. It's butter soft actually.
And usually Bengal Jamdani sarees are woven from muslin. Isn't it? It's woven from muslin. Maybe not all, but usually it's woven from muslin. This collection also is muslin cotton, very soft. So let's take a look at some of these. I can't wait to open up some of these sarees. I want to see what the different kinds of designs are, kind of techniques they use. Let's understand how this happens.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out this lavender one first. This lovely sensational color. Typically you don't see this in Jamdani. I mean, Jamdani is mostly, more closer to Urchage, but this is like a beautiful shade of
Lovely lavender. Fabric is so nice. Jamdani work is sensational. Kali, did you know that Jamdani originated in Bangladesh?
Yeah?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, okay.
I know we keep saying Bengal Jamdani. Originally, it originated in this place called Dhaka, which is today the capital of Bangladesh. Which is why previously it used to be called Dhaka Jamdani. After that, a lot of the weavers migrated from the Bangladesh side to the India side to Bengal, what is today Bengal, and settled down in Bengal side, and which is why it's now known as Bengal Jamdani.
Oh, okay.
Fabric is so nice. It's so lovely.
Just showing the hand below this. See how
Wow. It's butter smooth. It's absolutely butter smooth. And look at the colors they've achieved. Look at this on a lavender backdrop. The saree even in yellow, there are 3 shades of yellow. There is a lovely lemon yellow, there is a mustard yellow, and here, I don't know what this yellow is. This maybe a very cheese yellow. So it's 3 types of yellow. The leaves are all in blue, and the stem of the flower is in a very, it's a darker beige brown. It's beautiful. It's lovely. So actually you are in a riverside, and these flowers are floating on the, river banks. It has that impact.
No, that's the feel of the Jamdani itself, right? Because the fabric is so sheer. Even if you look at the body, this one has got butties in the body also. They almost seem like they're floating on the fabric. And just see, I'm just turning the reverse.
So beautifully done.
Pick it done is
fabulous. This is what they call, some people call it supplementary weft. Some people call it extra weft weaving. So it's really sensational. For India, these are cultural treasures really, which we need to preserve. Yeah. Very interesting design. Just take a look.
Yeah, this is beautiful. You open the saree.
Lovely. It looks like a beautiful, lovely pastoral scene. It's like a lovely village with houses, different color roofs, trees in between. Very interesting motif. It's very peaceful, very nice, and the color is lovely. This is what, aqua green? You would call this aqua green?
Yes.
Aqua green. Beautiful aqua green. And these motifs in the pallu, which are woven, are in different shades. There's a dusky pink, just off-white color, lovely blue here. And then if you see, there's a door and there are windows which are woven in yellow in this particular case on the dusky pink. And of course, on each house, it's woven on different colors. My God, the amount of detail to get this is fabulous.
And then, did you see this? Look at that.
Tattoos are fabulous. Yeah, I was just noticing them as you were looking at it.
It's me like playing with them.
It's fabulous. Look at the different colors. All the threads they've used in this saree, all the colors they've used, all those colors have been taken out and then beautifully they've woven them into tassels at the end of the pallu. It's fabulous. And of course, look at the motifs throughout the body. Look at the motifs.
It's beautiful and all on the diagonal, different colors.
Yeah.
It's sensational.
Fabulous. Beautiful. It's lovely way they've stacked these 2 rectangular, it's like 2 bricks.
Yeah.
And in different colors again. Lovely. It's fabulous and it's all geometric. It's a very stylish design.
The stylish design.
For a traditional art, which is Bengal Jamdani, they've actually achieved I would say it's a Western design.
Yeah. I guess weavers are also changing in the times. They want to do stuff which is reflective of the times.
Yes. This looks very contemporary. Someone who wants to wear a saree but who wants a contemporary look, stylish contemporary look, can look at a design like this.
Yeah. Sensational.
Yeah. Look at this one. That's sensational black. Let me just open out this one. Wow. We saw something which is similar to this, isn't it, Kala? Is it the same design?
No, it's not. That, if I remember, had 3. This is 4, so it's narrower. The floral stems are narrower here. That was broader. There were just 3 across the width of the pallu. This has 4. So that look more a bouquet which is spread out. It's more compact.
Okay. It's lovely the way they draw this, and they have these lines. This is something I think it's this. This is what is this is why it looks like a river bed. It's like a river because this is like the water, and then these as if these flowers are popping up out of the water and then floating on the river banks. It's got that impact. And of course, because it's a black background, the kind of colors they've used is really nice. Sensational. Again, it's a lovely bright blue, cyan blue, mustard yellow. There is a white here. And in fact, even this, the bud is mustard yellow. The stem, I think, is more a beige. Yeah.
Beige, yeah.
Beige, dark beige or whatever. It's beautiful. The number of colors they've used is again very sensational. Let's take a look at the other side color. One should never miss the beauty of how the work is done in a jamdani. You have to look at the other side. Yeah. Wow.
Within the same flower, they have introduced 2 colors.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 colors.
Yeah. Front.
Beautiful, beautiful, fabulous, amazing. Yeah. And to imagine that all of this is done live on the loom. It's not that they make the saree and then they start, stitching it, or it's done. It's in the supplementary weft, which means as the weaving is going on in the loom, all these designs are visualized and introduced.
Hardwired into their
it's something amazing. Yeah, good. So this, wow, from a very dark, stark black, you're moving to this beautiful, lovely. This is so elegant. This is very different, very, very different style. All geometric. The colors are muted tone. The body is a lovely, I would say, a shell pink, beautiful shell pink, and motifs are lovely gray, beautiful gray, lovely gray.
It's very demure saree, but overall very, very subtle and demure.
Very nice. Yeah, of course. They've just shared this up with the borders. Again, it's weighted, of course, thicker weaving like you pointed out last time. Yeah. And it's a lovely blue, beautiful indigo blue, which contrasts with the shell pink. It's very nice. The contrast works very, very well. It's really pretty. And I wonder what they do for the blouses. Is it a running blouse usually for these sarees?
Most of these
are running blouses, I think. Let's see. Let's have a quick look. See if they've done something else on this.
Oh, Daddy.
They've done something else in this particular saree. They've actually, because it's a very subdued, very demure saree, they've got lines of saree. So it's a plain blouse, but it's got thin lines of zari running throughout from edge to edge. So this will look absolutely stunning. It's so powerful in such an understated way. It's really nice, sensational. Here it comes, screaming.
Right.
Absolutely.
Cheerful.
Right, cheerful.
Some colors make you feel like smiling.
Yeah.
So yellow is one of them.
This is what I would call, I think, this is a perfect canary yellow.
Yes.
A canary yellow. So within the floral, they're creating variety, obviously. Very nice, and it's beautiful again. Very tiny little single buds which are there throughout the body. Yeah. So beautiful. And on this really bright canary yellow, these buds, which is pink buds with a dark pink, I think in one of them, green leaf. Another one has got a pink bud with a dark tip here. The leaves are green everywhere. So they're alternating the colors of the buds between a red and a pink. So red bud with a pink tip and this pink bud with a red tip. The leaves are all green.
Yeah.
So they're doing this. Again, the colors used here on the yellow. There's a lovely bright pink. There's a nice aqua blue. There's a leaf green. The stems are in dark brown.
Coral orange.
There's a coral orange as well. So it's about 5-6 different colors have been done. And of course, let's not miss the reverse of the saree. The weave on that side. It's beautiful. It's lovely. Fabulous. It's so defined, well defined. Again, very precisely, very artistically, yet very precisely, very scientifically done.
No, I'm just gobsmacked saying this is
really amazing work by the weaver. Yeah, very nice. This is a running blouse. So can go on. Last but not the least, of course, this is the grand finale. I would rather call this a grand finale. It's a beauty. Let me open this up. What a beautiful blue, fabulous saree. And this one uses zari as well, very effectively for a very, very laid back, chill indigo background. They've used the zari so beautifully. Amazing. Look at the motifs. Diamond motif. Made with diamonds with a central diamond in gold. The gold zari in the center. Yeah, the blouse has got super stunning blouse. Lovely indigo with zari lines throughout. Fabulous blouse. Wow. Very stylish. That's something I missed mentioning. The entire border is zari border on both sides. Beautiful. Lovely zari borders on both sides. Fabulously done. So this will, apart from the weaving, which is in a slightly thicker fabric, the zari also will have weight. So absolutely the fall of this will be stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
Of course, throughout the body, these lovely little diamond booties in white on the background. That's how the body is. Let's see how this is how the body would look. It's really nice.
And these heart diamonds come on the border.
On the borders, yes. Fabulous. Again, it's a very, very stunning saree, and the beauty of the technique, the color combinations, and the way they've judiciously used saree. They've not overdone it,
Yeah.
but it's just the right amount of panache gives. It's really, really nice. Very, very elegant, majestic saree is what I would call it.
Yeah. One more, power dressing saree.
Power
because of
dressing
the
saree, absolutely.
color and the favorite. Such a lovely collection. This is it.
Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this little collection as much as we enjoyed having a look at this whenever new collections come in.
If you like these videos, please click on the like button, click on the bell button, subscribe to our channel because then you won't miss any of our new arrivals.
Yeah.
Also, if any of you want to see these sarees in person and try them on and drape them, if you're living in Chennai, our store is in Alwarpet, 281 PTK Road. So you can come to our store and check this saree. Not just these, we have the entire collection here, so you can come here and check out the entire collection.
Yeah, we've just showed about 4 or 5 sarees here. They have many more here in this collection of Bengal Jamdanis. Please come to the store. You can actually personally touch, feel, drape the saree and try it out. Of course, if you're not in Chennai, there's no problem at all. You can always log into avishya.com and our customer service staff online will be very happy to assist you in making your browsing through the website, making your selections, also tell you what each color is actually, because they've seen the sarees. So they'll be able to tell you, is it a dark blue, light blue, what exactly is this blue or this pink? They'll be able to answer all your queries and also help you actually place the order. So that's the advantage. You can go online. If you're not in Chennai, you always can go online to avishya.com and check it out.
Just want to buy on WhatsApp because customers want to buy on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. You just need to take a screenshot of any of the sarees you like and send it on WhatsApp, and our customer service team will be happy to share your details on pricing, how to buy, etc.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's been a pleasure doing this little chat, and thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.